The morning sun is shining bright. Your smile brings peace into my life. A gentle breeze across the sea feels like the world was made for you and me. I was searching for a place to belong, then your love became my favorite song. With every heartbeat I understand, I found my paradise in your hands. No worries, no fears, just you and I, underneath this endless sky. The rhythm of love is flowing through. Every moment feels brand new. Irie, in your love, I feel so free. Like waves dancing on the Caribbean Sea. Irie, in your love, my heart has found a peaceful place where joy is around. With every sunrise, with every tide, I'll keep your love right by my side. One heart, one dream, one melody. Your love brings Irie energy. Palm trees swaying in the island breeze, sweet reggae playing through the leaves. Walking with you along the shore, I feel a happiness I can't ignore. Your laughter is a beautiful sound, the kind of love that lifts me off the ground. No treasure hidden deep in the blue could ever mean more than loving you. Take my hand and stay a while. Give me that beautiful smile. Let the ocean sing our song. Together is where we belong. Irie, in your love, I feel so free. Like waves dancing on the Caribbean Sea. Irie, in your love, my heart has found a peaceful place where joy is around. With every sunrise, with every tide, I'll keep your love right by my side. One heart, one dream, one melody. Your love brings Irie energy. Through the seasons, through the years, I'll be beside you through the fears. When the road gets rough and long, we'll keep singing our love song. Like the river that meets the ocean wide, your love keeps flowing deep inside. Every day is a blessing true, because every day begins with you. Let the music play, let the island shine. Your heart is forever connected to mine. The stars above and the moonlight too know the love I feel for you. No storm can take away this feeling. A love so strong, a love so healing. Your love brings Irie all the way. I see your face in the morning light, even when you're far from my sight. The miles between us feel so wide, but your love is always by my side. The ocean carries every prayer, the wind reminds me you are there. Though I can't hold your hand tonight, your love still shines like a guiding light. Distance may separate our ways, but true love grows through the days. Every heartbeat calls your name, no time or space can change this flame. Love from a distance, still burning bright, like a star shining through the night. Even across the endless sea, your heart is always close to me. Love from a distance, strong and true. Every road leads me back to you. No matter where this journey goes, my love for you forever grows. I watch the sunset by the shore, thinking of the one I adore. The same moon shines where you are, connecting two hearts from afar. Every message, every word feels like the sweetest song I've heard. Though I miss the warmth of your embrace, your love still fills this empty space. Hold on tight, don't let it fade. The strongest bonds are never afraid. Like the ocean meets the sand, love can travel across the land. Love from a distance, still burning bright, like a star shining through the night. Even across the endless sea, your heart is always close to me. Love from a distance, strong and true. Every road leads me back to you. No matter where this journey goes, my love for you forever grows. The seasons change, the years move on, but the feeling remains strong. Every sunrise brings me hope, every sunset helps me cope. One day these miles will disappear, and I'll be standing close and near. Until that day finally arrives, your love keeps my spirit alive. The wind knows every word I say, the stars watch over you each day. Though we walk on different roads, our hearts still carry the same hope. True love doesn't need Forever you are a part of me. Shining over the water, the stars are glowing in the sky. The night is young, the music is playing, and I don't want to say goodbye. Your smile is brighter than the morning, love is warmer than the sun. Tonight we'll leave the world behind us and let our hearts become as one. Stay a little longer with me, let the rhythm set us free. No more worries, no more tears, just the love we feel right here. No goodbye tonight, stay with me beneath the light. Let the ocean sing our song, where our hearts can both belong. No goodbye tonight, hold me close until sunrise. Every moment feels so right, I don't want to leave tonight. Palm trees move with the island breeze, the waves are dancing by the shore. Every second spent beside you makes me love you even more. The reggae sound is softly playing, like a heartbeat in the air. And in this beautiful moment, I know there's something special there. Take my hand and walk with me, where the stars meet the endless sea. Let this feeling never end. Tonight you're more than just a friend. No goodbye tonight, stay with me beneath the light. Let the ocean sing our song, where our hearts can both belong. No goodbye tonight, hold me close until sunrise. Every moment feels so right, I don't want to leave tonight. Maybe tomorrow brings a new road, maybe life will call our name, but the memories you're making will forever stay the same. Like the tide that meets the shoreline, like the stars that always shine, this love will keep on flowing through the hands of space and time. If the distance comes between us, I remember this night, the laughter and the music, the way your eyes shine bright. Some moments last forever, even when the night is gone, and the love we share together will keep carrying us on. feel the warmth of your love beside me, like a dream that came to me. Through every road in every season, through every moment we go through, my heart has found a place of peace, and that place is here with you. Take my hand, don't let it go. There is a love only we know, like the ocean meets the shore. I'll choose you forevermore. Stay forever close to me, like the waves belong to the sea. Through the sunshine and the rain, I'll be with you again and again. Stay forever close to me. You are my sweetest melody. One heart, one love, one destiny. Forever you belong with me. The palm trees sway in the evening breeze. The island sings beneath the trees. A gentle reggae rhythm plays, carrying love through endless days. Your laughter is my favorite song, the place where my heart feels strong. No distance, no time, no passing years could ever change the love that's here. When the world feels cold and wide, I'll be standing by your side. Every dream and every plan we'll build together, hand in hand. Stay forever close to me, like the waves belong to the sea. Through the sunshine and the rain, I'll be with you again and again. Stay forever close to me. You are my sweetest melody. One heart, one love, one destiny. Forever you belong with me. When the stars begin to shine, I'll be thankful you are mine. Every sunrise, every night, your love is my guiding light. The seasons change, the years may fly, but our love will reach the sky. Like a river flowing free, your heart will always flow with me. If tomorrow brings a challenge, we'll face it standing strong. Because love is not a moment, it's a journey we belong. Through the valleys, through the mountains, through the highs and through the lows, I'll keep holding on beside you, wherever this life goes. Stay forever close to me, like the moonlight on the sea. Every heartbeat, every day, I'll never let our love fade away. Stay forever close to me. You are my island harmony. One love, one heart eternally. Forever you will be with me. The ocean whispers softly, the palm trees gently sway. Our love will keep on shining forever and always. Stay forever close. Stay forever with me. Ooh. Standing on the ocean blue, the stars are telling stories of me and you. A gentle breeze is moving through the trees, carrying whispers across the seas. I searched the world for a love so true, a heart so kind, a soul like you. Now every moment feels like a dream, a perfect picture, a beautiful scene. Hold my hand, don't let me go. There's a love here only we know. Through every season, through every day, our hearts will never drift away. In your eternal embrace, I found my forever place. A love that time cannot erase, a blessing written by grace. In your eternal embrace, I see the beauty of this life. Through every storm and every tide, I'll keep you here by my side. The palm trees dance in the island breeze, the waves are singing their melodies. A reggae rhythm fills the night, everything around us feels so right. Your smile is brighter than morning light, your love is my peace in the darkest night. No treasure hidden beneath the sea could mean as much as you mean to me. Let the world keep turning fast, we'll hold the memories that last. Like the ocean meeting the shore, I love you more and more. In your eternal embrace, I found my forever place. A love that time cannot erase, a blessing written by grace. In your eternal embrace, I see the beauty of this life. Through every storm and every tide, I'll keep you here by my side. When the years begin to pass us by and silver clouds fill up the sky, I'll still remember the way you smiled, the way you made my heart feel alive. Through every journey, every road, we'll share the dreams that we have known. Because true love is a precious art, forever written inside the heart. If the rain falls, we'll dance together. If the winds blow, we'll stand forever. No distance can break what we have made, no time can make our love fade. The stars above and the sea below know the love that continues to grow. A gentle breeze is calling out to me. I feel a blessing every time I see your face. A beautiful gift, a heart full of grace. Before you came, I was searching for a sign, looking for a love that felt truly mine. Then you walked into my world so bright and turned my darkness into light. No riches, no gold could ever compare to the love and kindness that we share. Through every season, through every day, I know our hearts will find a way. Pure love, flowing like the ocean tide, a feeling I will always keep inside. Pure love, shining like the morning sun, two hearts together becoming one. No distance, no time can tear apart the beautiful bond inside our hearts. Pure love, forever true. My heart found paradise with you. Palm trees dancing in the island breeze, soft reggae rhythms moving through the trees. Walking with you along the sandy shore, I feel a love worth waiting for. Your smile brings peace into my soul. Your love makes my broken pieces whole. Every moment spent with you is a treasure, a kind of joy